What's up? This is Ryan, and I want to make a video right now talking about Nadex, which is the North American Derivative Exchange. Okay, this is a binary options trading platform. If you've been looking into binary options for any amount of time, you would know that there are literally countless scams out there. Binary options trading platforms that just invest $250 in, we have this certain proprietary software that beats the market every single time. Or I don't know, they make up some ridiculous claim that basically makes you like want to put in your 250 or $500 or however much money, and then essentially you just end up losing all your money, whether they just don't let you withdraw your money or you just end up like trying to make all these calls, which you just end up losing all your money. So there's just a lot of scams out there. You have to be aware of them. So I just, I'm sure you may be aware of that, and if you're not aware of that, you should be. And so Nadex is one of the very few platforms out there that is, very legitimate. I actually came across this platform, Nadex, through a YouTube ad, and I was like really surprised to see a binary options ad on YouTube. I was like, that's kind of weird, because any scam isn't gonna typically run YouTube ads, and if they would, I'm pretty sure that YouTube would shut that shit down fast. So really quickly, I just want to kind of just talk about basically what binary options is, if you don't already know what binary options is. Okay, so I'm just going to simply read this off the website here. So binary options are limited risk contracts based on simple yes or no questions about the market's price in action. So pretty much like on certain commodities, typically like currencies. Okay, you're kind of trading between currencies on whether or not a currency is going to go above or below a certain price at a certain time of the day, typically around 3 p.m. Okay, if you say yes, you buy the binary. Okay, if you say no, you sell it. If at 3 p.m. you're right, you get the full $100. If not, you basically get zero money. It's simple. It's a simple but a powerful way to trade most active stock indexes. Okay, forex, commodities, and other markets with limited risk guaranteed. So, definitely the cool thing about Nadex and some of these binary trading platforms is that you can get started with little investment, as little as $100, and specifically with Nadex, you can get started with only $100. But when you do get started with this program specifically, you're going to be assigned an agent, and they're going to recommend that you invest several $1,000s, at least five, maybe even $5,000 to $10,000, because if you're brand new, wanting to get into this program, you are going to more than likely make a lot of mistakes. Not saying that you are, but I'm saying that there's quite a bit of a learning curve with a program like this, and there's a good chance that you can potentially lose a good amount of money. I'm not saying that that's going to happen. I'm saying that that's typically what happens with people that are getting started, when they're brand new. Okay, so again, Nadex is one of the very few programs that I have seen out there that would be a very good decision for you to get started with if you are set on getting started with binary options. Okay, again, one of the reasons is because they are compliant with the Cftc, the SEC. You can go and even research their phone number, their address. They're located in Chicago, Illinois. And I mean, you research them on the internet, and they're one of the best platforms out there if you want to get into binary options specifically. I think binary options is a very interesting way to start making money, from home or online. The only thing is that I just think that for the new person that just simply wants to supplement their income or replace their income, there are alternatives out there that you can get started with, and start making money with, number one, without having to invest so much up front, and that may be less of a learning curve. Okay, so again, if you're set on binary options and this is something that you want to do, definitely a great program. But if you're someone that just you want to figure out how to just start, making money online, or, from home, or whatever that is. I've been making money online since early 2013, and I guess cracked the code, if you will, on figuring out how to drive traffic online, how to collect leads, and how to convert those leads into buyers, which obviously equals money in the bank. And you don't have to invest tens or thousands of dollars to get started, and it's fairly simple. It's step by step, and I pretty much lay out everything for you on exactly how you can get started in your own home-based business. Okay, and in order to do this, you can actually click the link below this video, or you can go to the website that you see here on the screen, and I'm going to show you exactly what it is that I do to make money online, because I do know people that have made money with platforms, with legitimate binary options platforms. But the thing is a lot of the people I know personally that have tried these, they've made money, but there's just, you're sitting in front of your computer just watching, graphs on whether or not you're either going to make or potentially lose your money. Okay, but with what I'm going to show you, that's proven methods to make money online, you can just work a few hours a day and have passive income, passive traffic, and passive sales coming in on a daily basis and monthly basis. Okay, so if you want to know more information exactly what it is that I do, and potentially that way you can potentially work with me one-on-one, again, just click the link below in the description. Go ahead and shoot me an email. I'll be more than happy to reply, answer any questions that you have about getting started in your home business, and I'll be talking to you soon.